Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am super tired, ready to go to bed right now. I do have a little bit of packing to do because tomorrow we are headed to grandma's. We are going to my mom's place for at least a week. Not sure how long we are going to be there, but at least I know it's going to be a week. Yes, I'm going to try and pack a week worth of things and hope that if we are staying there longer, it might just be for another week. So at most 2 weeks. I'm going to try and fit in 2 weeks things in here, baby's bag, and then also go ahead and pack my bag. I want to show you guys everything I'm bringing on a baby's side, which is a must-have for me to make my life and baby's life a little bit easy. And I'm also going to show you guys that you don't have to overpack. At least I know I am not an overpacker. You guys can judge in the comment section and let me know what you think as I continue to go ahead and pack everything. Anyway, first things first, I love to be organized, as you guys know, so I just have everything laid out here on her crib so I do not forget anything. And on top of that, I keep everything organized and well folded. So imagine I just got them out of her closet over there and then just placed them here. That is a plus and a bonus for me compared to if they were just lying around somewhere and then I have to pick them and fold them and all that. So we're not going to go through the folding process because we already did that and we are good. All I'm going to try to do is show you guys what I'm taking and then just put it in here. Now, I'm not packing in any particular order. Matter of fact, let me just show you guys everything I'm bringing and then I'll pack it later because it's going to be weird trying to show you and then put in the bag, right? So let me just show you what I have laid out and then later show you guys everything packed. The first thing on the list is definitely baby wipes. I use these from Soft Care because they are super gentle on baby's booty. She has never had any issues with these and therefore we are enjoying them over here. Next thing I'm going to bring is these Pamper diaper pants. These are also good and great. They absorb a lot and they fit really well. I have barely had any leakages with these because they fit her very well. These are also a must bring because baby is eating, and if she is eating, she is definitely gonna do the most. I'm also gonna carry her baby powder because I use this on her lady areas to help with the diaper rash and it's working good so far. I've not had any issues with this Carson's baby. I might as well just put you guys on all the different products that I'm using on baby because they are working amazing. The other thing I'm not forgetting is the Vaseline Blue Seal. I use the cocoa butter flavored one because I feel like cocoa butter is a mild scent for the babies and all. We also use this in her lotion. Her daytime lotion is a little bit light for me, so instead of using baby oil or mixing it with the baby oil, I just do it with this Vaseline and it has been working good so far. Her skin has been thriving on this, and just like I was saying, this is her baby lotion from Dove. This is the sensitive skincare lotion, rich moisturizer, the daytime one. This is the one I use during the day because this was not specified whether it's day or night. I feel like this you can use anytime whether it's day or night, but I choose to use this for the day, and then like I said earlier, I pair these two to give me the most. And for the night, I go in with this baby Dove. This actually specifies, it says sensitive skin nighttime lotion, calming moisture. It is somehow scented with lavender. I think that is why they prefer this for the night, because somehow lavender is super relaxing and puts the baby to sleep, or even adults actually. If you use lavender essential oils in your shower routine and all that, let me know down below if it's actually also relaxing for you and puts you to sleep, giving you a good night. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, since this is specified for night time, I do this at night and then this in the day. So there are two different kinds of lotions, but let me tell you guys, my baby's skin is thriving on these Dove products. products and every other product that I've mentioned here. She has good skin. Every time somebody meets us or sees her, that's the first thing they comment. They say, oh my god, the skin is so good. And what can I say? The Dove is working, and probably the breast milk, because genetically I don't really have a good skin. Maybe her dad actually has a good skin. Probably genetically she gets it from her dad, but if it's me, no ma'am. Baby Dove soap, bar soap for showering. This has really been good to us from day one. This is what I have used. Even when she had those newborn rashes, this Dove baby soap was doing the most for us, and we loved it. It also has a nice subtle baby scent to it, which I also love. That is all for baby skin and body care essentials. Let's move on to the garment section. For baby's clothes, first things first, I made sure to pack her these washcloths. I'll be alternating between these two because I don't want to carry very many things, so these two will get the job done for me. And then I also packed her 5, since we are going to be there for at least a week. I feel like 5 is not bad because we can have 1 wash day in between, or 2 wash days in case we stay longer. I don't want to overcrowd the bag, so I just did 5 daytime onesies. These are 5 daytime onesies. 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 6. I thought there were 5, but they're actually 6. Yeah, daytime onesies. And why I call them daytime onesies is because where we stay, it's usually hot during the day. Short sleeved and short, just like that. Love these. They come in handy, and these I love to pair with diaper pants because sometimes I don't like how the diaper peeks through here, you know, it just doesn't look nice, demure, aesthetic. And so I just love to put these cute little diaper pants over her to cover that mess up, and also to add some more warmth, since these are short. On a cold day she can rock these full day, but on a hot day, when it gets really hot, I have to take the diaper pants off because it gets too hot for her. So just like the onesies, I also did 5 diaper pants to match the onesies for the day wear. For the nighttime wear, we have 2 kinds of onesies. One, sometimes it is super hot during the night, and so what we do is we switch the longer onesies or slippers to these shorter ones, but with longer arms, because for some reason my baby does not love her arms constrained or covered. So I make sure in the night, when I'm not able to, you know, look out for her, how she's doing, because I'm also sleeping. I'm gonna need my sleep to be a good mom. I do put her in these longer onesies to keep her warm, but I let them free down here because they do not have like the longer feet. These help with the aeration and the fresh air, so she's not overly suffocated with the heat. But on a cold day where it is really cold, we go full bundled up, longer arms and longer feet or legs down here to cover her really well and give her that extra warmth that she is gonna use. Altogether, I carried 5 shorter onesies and then 2 longer onesies. For baby girl's accessories, of course, I brought some stockings over here. 5 pairs, 2 3 4 5. Like I said, I'm just packing a week worth of things, or 2 weeks at most. We don't need more. And then her bows, I only carried 2 bows. I feel like these colors are universal to her clothes and they will match any of her clothes in there. I didn't want to carry very many. Just these 2 will get the job done, because she even doesn't wear them often, but when she has to wear them, at least she's got these 2 options. And then for her bibs as well, I also just carried these 2 basic ones to help with her drilling. I think she's starting to teeth, so baby girl drills a lot. And so yeah, just these 2 bibs around her neck area so her outfit does not get so wet with the drill. Also, I did carry my baby girl an outfit. This is what her dress looks like. It's paired with this pants over here in case we need to step out a little bit or we need to get some cute pictures. We have these in handy and she can get dressed and cute just in case. And then I'm also going to pack her this nice little cute sweater because, like I told you guys already, baby girl does not like her arms covered. The sweater will come in handy because at least if I'm not covering her arms, she's in her sweater and she's enjoying the warmth either way. The sweater is so cute, still a little bit big on her, but it fits. She'll also enjoy this. As we wrap this up, I did carry some sheets, carried 6 sheets just to be on a safer side. Some of them we shall lay on her bed, and then some of them will be for carrying her around the house. Just carried 6 just in case. And then for her blankets, I have 2 types, the light blanket and the heavy blanket. Right now she's using the heavy blanket to cover herself. I have another heavy blanket, but it's overly heavy and very bulky. I don't like carrying it when I'm going out of home, so I just prefer to carry that heavy but not bulky blanket compared to this other one. So that I will pack in the morning when she is awake. And then I also have this light one that we can use to carry her around the house in case it is cold and she needs that extra warmth. I also carried 2 towels because you never know when the mess gets messy and you need a lifesaver. So this is it for me. And of course, not forgetting baby girl's water bottle because my girl loves her water over anything. I don't know if all babies are like that, but my baby girl loves her water. Every time she sees this bottle, her reaction is super cute. She just wants to like jump on it, grab it. I don't know, but she loves her water, so I'm not forgetting to carry this bottle so she can enjoy her water. Let me go ahead and put everything in the bag or pack everything, and then I'll come back and see you guys in a few. This is everything all nice and packed. Here I just put the diaper and everything, shower, and then this is the bag that has all the clothes and the other essentials. It does have some space in it where I'm going to put the large blankets, and I'm also going to carry her lounge for her to enjoy lounging on. I can't wait to see my mom, to get to spend a quality time with her. We usually meet here and there, but it's like for a short while because she's about to rush and go do other things, and I'm also committed. We don't get to have sleepovers and all that like we used to before I had the baby. So I'm super excited to go home, be with my mom, see how she gets along with baby girl because it's been a minute, and then here and there, look at them, have some quality time. My sisters are also gonna be there, and my dad as well. It's gonna be one good happy reunion that I'm happy about. So grateful to God that I get these moments in between. I hope you guys also make time for your families and for your loved ones, because we do not have forever here with them. Once we go to heaven, it's going to be a different story. So while we are on earth, let's try to make time for our families and for our loved ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this little pack with me series. Until next time, bye bye.